Do you have a vacation home or property that needs to settle down for a long winter's nap? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about some essential steps for winterizing a vacant home right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. A home that is left vacant during the winter months, for whatever the reason, must be protected from the harsh weather, not just on the outside, but inside as well. There's a long checklist to do, but here are a few of the essentials. Turn off the water supply to the house and open all of the faucets. Close the sink and tub drains. You'll also want to drain any water lines like in the dishwasher and ice maker. To keep water from evaporating from the toilet, lift the lid, pour in a RV-type antifreeze, then cover the bowl with plastic cling wrap. Many people also question whether or not the furnace should be turned off, but in my opinion, it's better to simply set the thermostat to a position above freezing, say around 40 degrees. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.